What's up guys, Winston here, and today I can't hold my excitement because just arrived, it's the ZOTAC GeForce RTX 2080 Ti, the AMP Extreme Edition. This graphics card uses Nvidia's latest RTX 20 series GPU, the 2080 Ti. Of course, it comes with the Turing architecture, as well as a massive amount of CUDA cores, a total of 4,352. This is an overclocked beast. It has a boost clock speed of 1815 megahertz, and of course has all of the features that you find with the RTX series. This graphics card features 11 gigabytes of GDDR6 RAM on a 352-bit memory bus, giving you a total bandwidth of 616 gigabits per second and also a memory speed of 14 gigabits per second. It's a beast. It also comes with spectral lighting, and of course you can overclock it further using the Firestorm software from ZOTAC. And to help with the cooling, it also comes with the Ice Storm 2 cooling solution with triple fans. The power consumption of this graphics card is quite heavy, around about 300 watts. So ASRock's included 16 plus 4 power phases, as well as its own power boost. This is currently ZOTAC's flagship graphics card, so expect to pay a price premium. Prices range from $1,600 to $1,700. Yes, you heard me right, it's a very expensive graphics card. So what can we expect in terms of performance? Well, all I can say here is it should blow everything out of the water and actually be one of the fastest graphics cards we tested to date. I'm super excited to see how it performs. So let's get cracking, build a test rig, and let this graphics card blow your mind. See you later. Alright, so let's do a quick unboxing before we put this into our test build. This is the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 2080 Ti AMP Extreme Edition. It's the super overclocked flagship graphics card from ZOTAC. And let's see, we have a nice box here, look, check it out. And let's see what else inside. Alright, we have a envelope. There's no driver disk. It's just an envelope of quick installation guide and some information about your graphics card. Okay, now inside, oh, check it out, 2 power cables. Nice. All the other graphics that we've actually unboxed does not come with the power cables, but yeah, 2 of them, both 8-pin. And here you go. That's the actual graphics card. Check the size of this thing out. Alright. Wow. Look at the size of it. Here you go. There you have the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 2080 Ti, the AMP Extreme Edition. Notice the LED strips on the top and on the bottom here. Okay. Nice ZOTAC Gaming logo right here, and that lights up with the RGB. 2 8-pin power. This card is a power hungry beast. You notice the power boost here as well, and comes with 16 plus 4 power phases. You have a nice solid back plate which it kind of wraps around the card, gives it a nice stability and helps with some of the cooling as well. Massive heatsink with heat pipes. Alright, for connectivity, let's have a look. We have 3 DPI and 1 HDMI, as well as a USB-C connector right here. Alright, let's have a look at the connector here, the NV-Link. This connectors allow you to connect 2 of these together, giving you a SLI configuration, having dual 2080 Ti's together. Nice. So that's the quick unboxing. Let's put this in our test rig and see how it performs. See you later. Wow, I'm totally speechless. When I said this is one of the fastest graphics card on the market, I wasn't kidding, bar of course the Titan RTX. The performance of the ZOTAC GeForce RTX 2080 Ti AMP Extreme Edition is absolutely phenomenal. None of the graphics card we've tested so far can be even close. It's truly a beast. It produced a high score of 8023 in 3D Mark Port Royale, and also an impressive score of 12,930 in Time Spy. For Final Fantasy 15, we got a high score of 13,280, which is one of the highest I've seen. Low temperatures reached a high of 71 degrees Celsius, which is what I expected from such a power-hungry card. But with ZOTAC's Ice Storm 2 cooling solution and triple fans, that's not a problem. I didn't try to overclock the card, as it's already boosted to 1815 MHz, which is more than enough for me. However, if you want to overclock the card further, you can always use ZOTAC's Firestorm software. But be warned, any overclocking is done at your own risk. Many people have complained about Nvidia's crazy pricing, and I agree. You can buy this graphics card from Amazon for around about $1,700. Yes, that's right, $1,700. At this price, it's a huge investment to make, and it's definitely out of reach for many users. Except of course the extreme enthusiasts with very deep pockets. Apart from that, the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 2080 Ti AMP Extreme Edition is the real beast of a graphics card, and is worthy of our editor's choice purely based on performance. And there you have it, this is the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 2080 Ti AMP Edition. With the overclocked GPU of 1815 MHz, is one of the fastest graphics cards you can get right now. Hope you enjoyed this video, give us a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the Amazon links in the description, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.